Hello, I'm Dr. Saili Nevreka, doing MD Ayurveda in Sain Ayurveda Hospital. And today we heard Dr. Gauri's lecture about cosmetology, which was very worth. First, I was not knowing very much idea about cosmetology that in detail. But after attending with lecture, I'm very much happy that I heard it even because I was not having any idea about it, and today I'm feeling very happy, and I'm feeling to take admission for institute also. Ma'am having very much knowledge, detailed knowledge about it. All institute are means there are so many institutes about this, but they are not giving practical training, and we were not having detailed idea about it. Means they were not having detailed way that how could they give the training, but here ma'am explained all the conditions